Hi folks, Pammy here from Pammy's Peck of Pursuits, and I've been doing a bit of spending, getting some really good deals, so I just thought I'd show you a few of the things I've picked up over the last few days. I smashed my glasses when I fell in the garden a couple of weeks ago, so I've been wearing some old ones. I was able to get a beautiful new pair of BVULGARI frames, and I'll get some new lenses put in those in a week or so when I've had my eye test, and I'm good to go. So really pleased with those. They were 40% off, a really good deal. I'd love it if you would like and subscribe. And then I tried to rework my Christmas wreath, but I couldn't really get it done, so I ended up going to Spotlight, and they had 40% off their Christmas decorations, so I bought a wreath and some balls, and I reworked it, and now I have a beautiful new wreath for the front door. Today I've got a little bit of a shopping haul for you. I've got two beautiful trays of sunshine mangoes. They were $30 a box, and what a great deal that was. And I got some onions, 10 kilos of onions for $10. And potatoes were $7.50 for a 5-kilogram bag. And then I picked up just a few cherries, not too many, and then some capsicum and tomatoes. So I'm going to be working my dehydrator really hard over the next few days, turning those beautiful sunshiny mangoes into dried fruit, and I'm also going to be dehydrating some of the onions. So I set to work this afternoon and spent quite a bit of time just slicing and dicing mangoes, and it took probably a good hour, but I was able to get almost one whole box chopped up and into the dehydrator. I've got another box to go, and probably a little over half a dozen left in this first box. So I might freeze the half a dozen that I have in this box and then dehydrate the other box tomorrow, and then it'll be the turn for the onions, and I'll be doing some frozen onions and some dehydrated onions. So that's my shopping for the last few days. I got some really great deals on my glasses, on my wreath at the front door, and on my beautiful mangoes. So see you next time.